Ever notice waxing hurts more now than it did in your 20s or 30s? You're not imagining it, and it's definitely not your fault. The truth is, most of the extra waxing pain we feel after 40 comes from small, seemingly harmless habits we were never taught to change as our bodies evolved. From the bustling streets of Nairobi to the fast pace of London and the humid summers in Atlanta, smart busy women juggling work, family and self-care are making these same mistakes, thinking that increased pain is just a part of getting older. But it's not. Stick with me, because I'm going to share 7 common mistakes, and mistake number 3 is one you can fix today and feel the difference immediately at your next appointment. First up, mistake number 1, waxing at the wrong time of the month. Your body calendar matters way more than you think. In the week leading up to your period, hormonal shifts cause a huge spike in sensitivity. Your pain tolerance plummets, and because our skin naturally becomes a bit thinner after 40, this effect is amplified. Add in the stress of daily life, which makes your nerves extra reactive, and you've got a recipe for a painful session. The fix is simple: schedule your waxing appointment for the week after your period, during your mid-cycle days. Your hormones are more stable, and your pain tolerance is at its peak. Mistake number 2, skipping skin prep because you're busy. I get it, we're all rushing, but this habit is costing you comfort. When skin is dry, the wax grips onto it just as much as it grips the hair. Whether you're dealing with dry winter air or the heat of Nairobi, dry skin is your enemy. It also means there's a layer of dead skin cells that can block a clean, swift removal, leading to more tugging and irritation. The fix? 24 hours before your appointment, use a gentle exfoliant. This simple step sloughs away the dead skin, allowing the wax to grab only the hair, making the pull cleaner and much less painful. And here we are at mistake number 3, the one you can start fixing right now: waxing on dehydrated skin. Pain often starts with dryness. After 40, our skin's ability to retain moisture naturally declines. When you add daily coffee, stress, and maybe not drinking enough water, your skin becomes even more dehydrated. When your skin is thirsty, wax doesn't just stick to the hair, it adheres to your skin. This is a primary cause of unnecessary pain, redness, and even bruising. So here's the immediate fix: for the next 48 hours before your wax, make hydration your mission. Drink plenty of water and apply a good, nourishing moisturizer to the area. Hydrate from the inside out, and you'll create a barrier that ensures the wax only pulls the hair, not your skin. Moving on to mistake number 4, letting your hair grow too long. You might think longer is better for the wax to grab, but it's the opposite. When the hair is too long, it creates more surface tension. As the wax is pulled, the long hairs can get tangled and twisted, causing an uneven removal and stimulating way more nerve endings than necessary. This leads to a sharp, stinging pain that is completely avoidable. The fix is to trim the hair before your appointment. The ideal length is about the size of a grain of rice. It's just long enough for the wax to grip effectively but short enough to prevent that painful tugging and twisting. Next is mistake number 5, using the same type of wax you used at 30. Your skin has changed, so your wax should too. As we get older, our skin loses some of its elasticity, making it more delicate and prone to lifting or tearing. The strip wax that worked fine in your youth might now be too harsh, pulling at your skin and causing significant inflammation. Hard wax, on the other hand, is designed to shrink wrap around the hair itself and not stick to the skin. The fix is to switch to a high-quality, low-temperature hard wax. It's a game-changer for mature skin, providing a much gentler experience with far less post-wax redness and irritation. Mistake number 6 is a reflex we all have: holding your breath during the pull. It's an instinctive thing to do when you anticipate pain, but it actually makes it worse. Pain literally listens to your breathing. When you hold your breath, your entire body tenses up. Your muscles clench, and your nervous system goes into a mini panic mode, which causes the pain sensation to spike. It's a simple physiological response. The fix is to breathe through it. As your esthetician is about to pull the strip, take a deep breath in, and then exhale slowly and deliberately as they pull. This keeps your muscles relaxed and your nervous system calm, significantly dulling the pain signal. Finally, mistake number 7, waxing when you're already stressed or exhausted. Your nerves absolutely remember stress. When you're stressed, your body is flooded with cortisol, the stress hormone, which makes you physically more sensitive to pain. Trying to squeeze in a wax appointment after a frantic day at work or when you haven't slept well is setting yourself up for a world of hurt. Your mind anticipates the pain more, and your body is less equipped to handle it. The simple fix is to schedule your wax on a day when you feel relatively calm and well rested. Treat it like a genuine self-care moment, not another stressful task on your to-do list. Your nervous system will thank you. By avoiding these 7 common mistakes, you can dramatically reduce waxing pain without resorting to extreme methods. You'll experience better skin recovery, feel more confident by understanding your body's needs after 40, and have practical, easy fixes that you can apply immediately. Pain is just feedback from your body, not a life sentence. You don't have to endure it, you just need to adjust your approach. If this helped you feel more prepared and less anxious about your next wax, please give this video a like and subscribe for more honest self-care tips for women over 40. And make sure to watch my next video, Almost Painless Bikini Waxing After 40, What Actually Works. Thanks for watching.